everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Oh my god, I'm loving it so much so far. I literally love it. I'm loving it. So today I've literally just got ready. It's quite late. It's 12 o'clock now. I got up, I was editing for a couple of hours my Vlogmas day 2, which is up on my channel already, and also the benefit trip you guys should watch as well. I uploaded them on the same day yesterday, so definitely go and check them out. And today I am going to go and pick my sister up called Beth. I don't know if you've met Beth yet. She's the one that does nails. These aren't actually the ones she's done. These are stick-ons. Like, can we take a moment? She was not happy with me though. So she's the one that does nails and she's insane. Go and follow her on Instagram. I think it's BW Nails, something like that. Definitely go and check her out. I'm going to go and pick her up, then we're going to go to the range because it is super cheap. We're going to get some Christmas bits, I'm going to get wrapping paper, see if there's any more presents and stuff I can get for Bradley and all of that kind of stuff. And then we're going to go to Tesco's and I'm going to do my weekly food shop. Fun times. Because me and Bradley tend to do this thing where we shop every day for food. And it's just irritating. I don't know why we do it. We just do. It's just become a routine. I was like, you know what? I'll just go food shopping and get like a weekly food shop. It's not a full week though because I'm away on Wednesday night and then that's it. But then Bradley's away Tuesday. So it's a bit all over the place at the moment. But I'm just going to get some food in, like bread and milk and all of the general sort of stuff and fillings and stuff that he can get for his lunch and all of that kind of stuff. So that is the plan. We're gonna go and pick Beth up now, and yeah, am I running late? A little bit, but it's okay. So I'm literally just gonna go and pick my sister up now, and then we're gonna go to the range and then go to Tesco's because it just makes sense. How nice are my sunglasses? I got them from Misguided because they stock key on there, and I'm literally obsessed. I love them so much. I was meant to include them in my gift guide, but I've worn them before, so it'll be included in that video as well, but I'm literally loving it. So my hair needs to drop out a bit. Do you know when like you do fresh curls and it's like whoop? So yeah, we're gonna go there now and then go to the range like what I've just said. Anyway, I'm with Beth. We are at the range. I need to lock my car. Yay. Right, we're in the range and we're gonna get Christmas stuff. There's actually really cool prints. This is the one I want.
Oh, so every time I was in here.
But they have like loads of faux flowers. Oh, these are nice. For bouquets, $4.99. That's so cheap for them. $4.99.
I like that colour.
You could mix them though together though. How nice does that look?
That looks quite real.
Yeah, it does.
I
Look.
might get it because I've cleared the last few.
But this is what I like. Oh my god, they're like what are they called? Yankee candles, but they're $3.49. They're like the makes like copies. So obsessed with throws. Oh my god, that's so soft. Dun, dun, dun. We're at the Christmas section and one of my nails fell off.
That wasn't me,
I was telling everyone you're the nail tech.
Huh?
I was telling everyone that you're the nail tech.
The nail
Tech. I thought that said hop. I was thinking, what's that?
Okay.
Okay. We need to get. Oh look, Christmas flowers. Oh look at the wreaths. Oh, that's so pretty. That's like the one I've got now. Yeah. Oh yeah. We were like, where's the wrapping paper gone? Oh look.
Are these the ones that Mum got us last year and sewed our names in?
Yeah. I've still got mine. Have you?
Yeah.
Like at the top there, she sewed our names into it. Look, the wrapping paper here is so cheap. But I need to find one that's got silver bits in. Online they had loads.
Names down at the front, they literally have silver.
That's silver and gold. I'll get that. What?
What was on the dotted one?
I feel like it's going to be a thing where I'm going to have to properly merge. Ooh. Look, Beth's met Santa for the first time. How do you feel?
That's
Look at his little
that
dog.
tree is snowing.
What?
It's got an umbrella upside down.
Oh my god. Oh look, I want to get a, what's it called? A tree skirt. Do you know what that is?
No.
You put it around the bottom of your tree so you don't see the bottom bit.
But people put like blankets.
Oh yeah.
Blanket.
Oh my god, look. Have you seen Mrs. Henchy's this for Minky? What is that?
It's a Santa camera.
Oh, is it? It's 20 quid, but there's not any more left.
What's demo?
This is how much she gets, and then this is what I've got.
This is nice.
Although I've got some tags and some ribbons in there. She got a new faux fur rug. Hello. We are in, we're not in yet, we're outside Tesco's. We've just been to the range. Look at all the stuff Beth's bought. I have one bag that I bought and she got so much stuff.
I do this every single time.
My hair's got really puffy.
So,
I need to do a food shop. What are you getting in here?
milk.
Just milk?
Mm.
Right, let's go to Tesco's.
Holiday.
The Christmas stuff's actually quite good in there. That's where I got all my ornaments from. Just thought you'd be really interested.
I might get some fairy lights.
By the way, Beth does nails. Do you want to promote yourself?
No.
She gets really shy.
I don't want to do this.
I should probably take my people are going to think I'm such a weirdo with my sunglasses on, but it was actually too bright. Okay, let's go to Tesco's. Oh, that's it. Let's do this. What do you get it? Are you getting me a Oh look. This is all of Beth's stuff. My car's so full. Well, I had to pick Bradley up from Lewis. That's why you would have seen the nice little Lewis footage. What did you just buy me? It's behind you, it's behind you.
Oh.
Yay! Because I ran out of this one. Look, it's basically gone. And this one is my favourite Linen Fresh. So good. Bradley's going to cook. We've just done a food, well, I've done a food shop.
Do you even have places for stuff like this?
Oh,
maybe that can be like a potato thing. Don't keep potatoes in the fridge.
No, maybe cupboard. And then I wanted to show you what I got from the range. I'll put a light on. Because this wrapping paper is...
You've got 2 cheeses.
Huh? Oh, we've got 2.
Huh?
Oh.
Well done.
This wrapping paper, I think it's like 8 or 4 meters, and they were £1 each, and I thought they were so cute. I'm going for a silver theme, but I did really like this one. And then I also got ribbon, so I got this one, which was £1. I got some tags. I got these because I have to get these every time I go to the range. Isn't it just a thing? I have to get these. They're for treat days. These.
You didn't get pick and mix, did you?
No, I didn't.
Mine's put this in the fridge.
My razor. Well, thanks. So yeah, I got these ribbons, which I thought were really cute. Plain white, that one. Oh, silver. Saw Lydia's video and she used this on her tree, so that's what I'm going to do now. Bradley doesn't know it yet, but it will look so much better. Huh?
You want to keep the Weetos?
Yeah. Oh my god, it just adds so much more. Maybe I'll put some in there a bit. Oh my god, it just looks so much better. Like, it looks more fuller and bigger. This is the current situation. I'm going to show you guys what I got in here. It's just a little unboxing as well. So I've just opened this parcel and look at these lipsticks. I think all of them are glittery. They look like that. There we go. So this is the colour Apollo. Look how pretty that is. And the packaging is so glittery as well. And then look. It's so nice. I was going to give these as a present, but I kind of want to keep them all and put them all on my desk because they look really pretty.
It's stunning.
I can't go over how much better the tree looks with that, especially with your 2 socks there. It looks so much more fuller. Happy. Yeah, I also got sent some bits from Sport FX. It's apparently a highlight, which looks good. And then I got a little card, and that's what it's meant to look like. It is £17.99. Look, this is a really cute gift. It's from Lord & Berry. I used one of their eyeliners not that long ago, and it was really, really good. And the packaging's really nice and simple. It reminds me of, what's it called? Bobbi Brown. But they look really, really nice. That looks so nice. And then from Bondi Sands, I got the Liquid Gold Self-Tanning Dry Oil Spray and then the eraser. I'll probably try it and then use the eraser straight away because I cannot fake tan at all. And you don't like it if I fake tan, do you, Bradley? No. I've never actually done it though. What if I'd done it if you liked it? Huh? Oh my god, you wouldn't think that I tidied the flat properly today, would you? It's such a mess. Are you eating the chorizo as you're going? Mm-hmm. He's such a little cheat. And this is their 2 new palettes, which look lovely. And they look like that. So thank you. Now I've got to clean all of this up. Do you want to clean it up for me?
No.
I've just added a white throw to the bottom of the tree and I think it looks really cute. Obviously when there's presents under, you're not going to be able to see it, but I think it's quite cute. Do you?
I think it's super cute, baby.
Still pretty cute. My hair looks so puffy. Alright, Bradley's playing FIFA again.
Hello!
Because that's all he does, but we are going to end the vlog here. Look, I've also, I think I showed you already, added a little fur thing to the tree, but I'm so happy with the tree now. Sorry about the noise. I did ask Bradley to turn it down, but he hasn't. Can you turn it down, please? Thanks. I've got a little Lottie on my lap here. Haven't I, Lottie? You've been so cute. And I'm going to edit the video here because tomorrow is a very busy day.
Can't swear.
Because on Wednesday I'm going on a brand trip, which I'm really, really excited about. I'm going with Danny, which will be really, really fun. It's only for one night, but I need to film a video tomorrow during the day and film Vlogmas and edit Vlogmas by the evening. So super busy, but I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to go and have a shower and stuff now. I'm going to do my makeup and stuff with you tomorrow and go in depth with how I do my makeup and all the products I use and all of that kind of stuff. So for now, me, Lottie and Bradlina here.
Toodle pip.
We'll see you tomorrow, won't we? Say bye. Bye. We love you. Say bye, Bradley.
Bye, Bradley.
He always does this. Say bye.
Bye.
Do your thing.
What thing? Over and out.